Today we are going to take another example for function point analysis, and the question is like that. Consider the project with following functional units. These are the functional units over there. User inputs, that means EI equal to 40. User output is equal to 30, that means EO. Number of inquiries is 25, that is EQ is 25. Number of user files, that means 04, okay, and number of external interface is 04, okay. So these are the functional units over there. In addition to above, they have mentioned the general characteristic systems over there, like significant data communication is 4, performance is critical is 5, design code may be moderately reusable is 2, system is not designed for multiple installation, that is having a 0 value. Okay, so in this case, they have mentioned the question that other complexity factors treated as average. So we have four that characteristics available with us. That means remaining 10
11.
are average. Okay, 10 are average.
Sir, 11.
This is also
15
mentioned
ino,
there.
sir?
14.
14, sorry.
There are 14.
Sorry, 14.
There
Yeah.
are 14. I stick 1 to 14. Okay. So
Okay.
compute the function point for the project. This is a question they mentioned. So what is that? EI equal to 40. I mentioned this in this way. EI equal to 40. EO equal to 30, EQ equal to 25, EIF equal to 04, and ILF equal to 04.
4.
So in this case, what we have done, we consider this is a kind of average projects. Okay, this is the rating related to average points. Just like whatever they mention in the over here this table, EI, EO, EQ, ILF, and EIF. So we put up the average values of for that. Okay, and we are going to consider the weightage for average values. Okay, these are the values for average. Okay, 4, 5, 4, 10, 7. So if you look at again the example over here, EI, they have mentioned the functional units are 40, 30, 25, 4, and 4. I'm going to multiply it with the only average ratings. We consider the average weighting factors over here only. I mentioned in this way, unadjustable function point we are going to calculate. So what is that? 40 into 4, 30 into 5, 25 into 4, and 4 into 10, and 4 into 7. Okay. So 4, 5, 4, 10, 7. These are the values, the weightage given for the average. 4, 5, 4, 10, 7. If you look at the table over here, these are the values related to average point. 4, 5, 4, 10, 7. I'm going to multiply the ratings with this, the weightage over there with corresponding functional units. Okay. So functional units, I'm going to calculate 40 into 4, that is 160, 30 into 5 into 150, 25 into 4 is 100, 4 into 10 is 40, and 4 into 7 is 28. So total points calculated for unadjusted is 478. Now comes to second part of this question, that complexity adjustment factor. The formula is, we already know it. It's good to have a formula with this. Okay, if I'm going to put up that formula in over here, that is good thing for as of the solving kind of questions over there. That means the paper checker, that person is going to get it, that this person knows very well what is the formula for that. Okay, so the formula I'm going to mention just like over here. This is the formula I'm going to mention. Okay, so CAF, complexity adjustment factor, is given by in this way. Okay, so if you write down the formula over here, that's good thing. So significant data communication 4, performance is critical 5, design code may be moderately reusable 2, and system is not for multiple installation. They have mentioned the ratings for it 0. So as per the given problem statements, 4 CAF ratings values are given, and other complexity factors treated as average. They mentioned other complexity factors as treated as average. This means that the 10 with rating as average. So out of 14 general system characteristics, 4 is given, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though it is 0, they are given, and 10 is remaining. Okay, 10 are remaining. That is all treated as average. So as far as the formula is concerned, summation of I equal to 1 to 14 of Fi, this is calculated as 4, 5, 2, 0. 4 plus 5 plus 2, 0. 4, 5, 2, and 0. I'm going to sum of it. Then average are 10. So if the ratings are average, I already mentioned that they have some weightage over there, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it is like that, 10 into 3, because there are 10 remainings over there. So 10 into 3 is 30. Okay, this is 30. So 4, 5, 2, 4 plus 5 plus 2 is 11. 30 plus 11 is 41. So summation of Fi, where I is 1 to 14, is equal to 41. The formula is that CAF, the complexity adjustment factor, is 0.65 plus 0.01 multiplied by summation of Fi, that is I is to vary from 1 to 14, and I'm going to put up the value of Fi over here, 41. So if we calculate as far as the formula is concerned, we have to first solve multiplication thing, because as of BODMAS things over there. So 0.01 multiplied 41 is 0.41. Then I'm going to add with this 0.65. This is 1.06. So now function point is calculated as 478 and 1.06. Total is 506.68. This is the function point. You get it? This?
Yeah.
Okay, it's very simple example. Again, now one more example we are having. The ratings of the functional units are going to be changed again. 11, 11, 7, 22, and 6. How many are there? 11, 11, 7, 22, 6. That means EI, EO, EQ, okay, ILF, number of user interface files, and external, that means EIF. Okay. So, and in addition to above, they mentioned significant data communication 4, performance critical 5, design code moderately usable is 2. Okay. So other complexity factors are treated again one more time. They are mentioned as an average. Okay, the compute the function point as a for a project. Now again we are going to put up EI equal to 11, that is 11. EO is equal to 11. Then EQ inquiry is 7. Number of user files 22, and number of external files interface 06. So EQ is 7, EIF is 22, and ILF 06. So we again consider this is an average weighting for that, because they haven't mentioned anything over there. Just like first example, we mentioned that thing. Okay, in first example we mentioned everything over there. Just like if you look at the first example one more time, they have mentioned low. Okay, they mentioned average, they mentioned high. Okay, they have mentioned over here average, again they have mentioned high. They have mentioned average for the number of inquiries. They have mentioned high and complex for interface files. External interface, they have mentioned average and complex. Okay, so unless and until they mention anything, I'm going to use every parameters or functional units as average. Okay, so I'm going to use that average points, and I'm going to calculate other that means unadjusted function point with the help of average only thing. Okay, look at the example one more time. So again 11 into 4 plus 11 into 5, 07 into 4, 22 into 10, 6 into 7. Okay, 11, 11, 7, 22, 6. Okay, now, if you look at this table, you will get to know about it. If I'm going to put up 11, 11, 6, 22, 7, whatever the values I'm going to put up over here, remainings are 0, 0. I'm going to treat it, and I'm going to calculate here. Okay, this table and summation of all the complexity components. And this is going to be calculated as unadjusted function point. This table is very useful. You will get to understand it. You can put up that value simply over there. Okay, even though if you don't know this formula for that, first try to remember at least for average 4, 5, 4, 10, 7. Okay, 4, 5, 4, 10, 7. You are going to multiply it with 4, 5, 4, 10, 7 with the available inputs. Okay, with the available functional units. So 11 into 4, 11 to 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 7, 10, 7, 22 into 10, and 6 into 7. So 44, 55, 28, 220, and 42. And the last output is 389. This is a unadjusted function point. So complexity adjustment factor, they have mentioned 4 is a significant data communication, performance critical 5, and code may be moderately reusable. This is 2. So as per the given problem statements, there are 3 complexity adjustment factors ratings over there. Okay, so remaining are 11, sorry, remaining 11s are treated as average. So out of 14 general system characteristics, 3 are given, 11 are remaining. So I'm going to calculate 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus in bracket 11 into 3 because the rating is average. 11 into 3 is 33. Again, the FI is value to be calculated as 44. The summation of FI is going to be 44. So put up the value in the formula of complexity adjustment factor, 0.65 plus 0.01 multiplied by summation of FI, that is I 1 to 40, and summation of FI already calculated over here is 44. So it is a 44 multiplied by this 0.01. 0.01 into 44, 0.44 plus 65, 1.09. Now we know the function point formula, UFP into CAF, FP equal to 389 into 1.09. The last output get it at the function point is 424.01. Now again, last one, the question, I'm going to take it out for that. Again, one more. So consider the project with the following function units. The number of user input 42, user output 42, number of enquiries 57, user file 6, external interface 6. Now in addition to above, they have mentioned the GSC points. Now this time 5 points they have mentioned. Applications specifically designed, developed and supported to be installed on at multiple sites. Sometimes they use this different kind of wording over there. Okay. So what they have mentioned, application specifically designed, developed and supported to be installed at multiple sites. Unless and until I am going to have that kind of software which is going to support on multiple sites, how is going to be useful for it? Okay, my software should be run on multiple sites also. So if you have that kind of thing, that means I am going to mention that ratings as 0.5. Installation, yesterday we discussed about the installation. If the installation is not done proper way, it's not useful for my software. If the installation having a lot of steps and a lot of complexity, nobody will use that software for you. Okay, they will try to move on from that. यार इसको install करने के लिए इतना time लगता है. Okay, so that rating also very important. 5 their ratings only. It should be like a good installation properly. Transaction executed frequently. The transaction should happen in a smooth manner. So they have mentioned 3. Application designed for end user efficiency. End user, unless and until I don't have my software is useful for end user, then how I'm going to use, what is the use of that software? Okay, the percentage of the information entered online. I should enter something over there online. So that is also their rating. So 5 ratings are there. Okay, in this case EI is 42. Again we are going to treat it like average factors because they haven't mentioned anything. Okay, EO is 42, EQ is 57, EIF is 06 and ILF is 06. 42, 42, 57, 06, 06. And I'm going to multiply it with our average ratings like 4, 5, 4, 10, 7. 42 into 4, 42 into 5, 57 into 4, 6 into 10, 6 into 7. 168, 210, 20, 228, 60 plus 42. That is all counted at 708. So UF is calculated at 708. Here, the complexity adjustment factors they are mentioned. I'm going to just put up the equal to sign in front of it. Whatever they are mentioned, application specifically, and they are mentioned in the bracket, I am mentioning equal to sign. Okay, so equal to 0.5. These are the ratings over there. Transactions, installations, end user efficiency in online. These are 5 ratings. 5 ratings they have given. 5 CF ratings are values given, and other complexity factors are treated as average. Okay, so that means the 9 are remaining. Okay, so 14 GSC, 5 given, 9 remaining. I'm going to calculate 5, 5, 5, 5, 3. Okay, how I'm going to calculate? First one is 5, second is 5, third one is 3, fourth is 5, again 3. 5, 5, 3, 5, 3. So 5, 5, 3, 5, 3. I'm going to sum it over here, get the sum of it. Remaining are 9. 9 into 3 is 27. So 21 into plus 27 is 48. Summation of FI is 48. So if I'm going to put up this into the formula, 0.65 plus 0.001 into summation of FI, that is I varies from 1 to 14. 48 values I'm going to put up over here. 0.48 is going to be calculated with the multiplication of 0.01, and last output will be get as 1.13. So function point is calculated again one more time as UFP into CAF. UFP is already calculated 708 over here. Okay, 708 into 1.130 is 804. This is last output we get it. Okay, you get it this example. You get to know about this example.
Yeah.
Other members, Daya and Prajakta.
Sir, they formula summation 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3 9 into 3. मग ते 9 into 3 कुठून घेतलं?
Okay, one more time I'm going to say this. So they have mentioned other complexity factors are average. Okay, we already discussed that general system characteristics are 14. Okay, how many general characteristics are there? See, these are the general system characteristics: data communication, data processing, performance objective, heavily used conversion, transaction range, online data entry, online data. These are all 14 points. Okay, 14 different general system characteristics, and it is a description of it. How data communication should be there, how the performance should be happened. This is a description of these general characteristics. Now ratings are concerned. If the ratings of particular are varies from 0 to 5. Okay, so if the value is 0, that means there is no influence of it. Suppose my software is not having a proper data communication, that means a 0 thing. Okay, if my software having a moderate influence about it, then it is average. Okay, this is average rating. This is fourth one is significant influence. This is 5 one strong influence. Okay, these are just different ratings related to these general system characteristics. Every rating we done it. Now, what they have mentioned, they mentioned the question is like that: other complexity factors treated as average. How many ratings are there? 5 ratings already they mentioned. Okay, like internal processing, reusable code, performance, and multiple sites. So what they mentioned, other complexity factor treated as average. What is the average value over here? It is 3. Okay. See how many ratings they have given? 5. Out of 14 general system characteristics, they have mentioned 5. 9 minus 5, oh sorry, 14 minus 5 equal to 9. Okay, so the remaining 9 are treated at average. So I am going to multiply that with multiplication of 3 because it is treated as average. Even though they mention the moderate, then I have to mention 2 multiplied by 2. If they mention significant influence, then I have to multiply it with 4. If they mention strong influence, then I have to multiply it with 5. You get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So last answer is there. So remaining, they have given 5 ratings. Okay, they are complexity additional factors. They are given 5 points. So I have the value of 5 CF rating, but other 9s are treated as average. So I am going to how many are there? 14 GSC. 5 are given and 9 are remaining. So I am going to multiply with average factors, that multiplication with 3. Okay, that is 27. Okay, you get it now?
Yes, sir.